More legal back and forth tonight over whether a former Grand Rapids police officer will stand trial. Christopher Schurr is charged with second-degree murder after the shooting death of Patrick Lioya during a traffic stop in April 2022 after a struggle involving a taser. Now tonight, word that the Michigan Court of Appeals has agreed to hear from Schurr's legal team regarding their effort to dismiss the case. His trial already getting pushed back several months after his attorneys requested more time to prepare for the case.
And it appears like we might have to wait even longer. So what does this mean moving forward? Matt Whitghost joins us in the studio after speaking with a legal expert about it. Matt.
Josh, Janice, a number of people are saying the wheels of justice move slowly. One legal expert says there's a chance this case could stay on schedule with the trial set for October, but he did add the possibility this criminal case could go into next year.
They have the right to exercise all the rights that a criminal defendant would have, whether it's a police officer or not.
The legal battle against former GRPD officer Christopher Schurr continues. This time the battle is in the hands of the Michigan Court of Appeals, who agreed Thursday to hear the case, something Schurr's legal team says is a victory, saying in a statement in part, the defense is pleased that the Michigan Court of Appeals granted Officer Schurr's request for his appeal to be heard. The issues on appeal will not only affect Officer Schurr's case, but will likely have an impact on the way policing is done in the state of Michigan. Before this, we have seen two major legal proceedings. One in October, a district court ruled that there was enough probable cause to move forward. And in February of this year, a circuit court judge denied Schurr's legal team to have the second-degree murder charge thrown out, which takes us to now.
They're really saying the prosecutor overcharged him in the first place, that he shouldn't have ever been charged with second-degree murder. It's an overreach and overcharge by the prosecutor.
Kent County prosecutor sending us this statement that reads in part, this was always a possibility and simply means they are reviewing the determination that the defendant was probably bond over for trial. Both parties will have an opportunity to file additional briefs with the court and present oral argument at a time to be set later by the Court of Appeals. Attorney Ben Johnson is representing the Lioya family in the civil case against the city of Grand Rapids and says he's in constant communication with them through this process.
The longer this takes, the more it hurts. To them, it feels like putting salt in a wound. They're not happy with the adjournments of the criminal trial. And of course, I do my best to explain, the wheels of justice sometimes go slowly, but to my clients, it feels like they're not moving at all.
The Grand Rapids Police Officers Association also posted a statement tonight. They're thanking the Fraternal Order of Police for their support in this case. At this time, a date for the hearing with the Court of Appeals has not been set. In studio, I'm Matt Whitghost, Fox 17 News.